This magnet has failed. This controller is telling us that it's pulling 100% power. It's also doing 0 amplitude, and it's come up with a warning. We're now going to change the magnet. We're now going to take the magnet off using a 13mm spanner. I'm going to pull the old cables from the conduit to reuse the conduit. First, I'm going to undo the terminal blocks to free the cable. I'm now going to discard the old magnet. Bring the new magnet and put the new conduit on to the magnet. Then tighten the 90 degree to the other end of the conduit. I'm now putting the new magnet on the machine, and we're going to use this plate to set our 3mm gap. We now remove the 3mm gap. We now take the nut off of the 90 degree. We have a small white washer to go onto the bottom of the cabinet. We now offer the 90 degree up to the cabinet. We fit the cables through the bottom hole. I'm now going to wire into the block for the magnet and the magnet sensor. Now we're pushing that into the top. Now we're going to turn the vibrating conveyor on. Enter, select enable, select hand on, home. I've now changed the magnet and all the settings are back to normal.